Excuse me.
Hi, Nami.
Naomi, hindi Nami.
Oh, you're introducing yourself to me na? Hi, Stephen. Pleased to meet you. Dali.
Pwede ba?
Makaarte. Kala mo naman nagkaganda. Stephen Cruz na yan, no?
Na. Eto naman, ang init naman ng ulo mo. It's Friday, right? Yeah. Friday. Dapat last day of school week. Let me smile. Can you smile for me, please? Yun, oh. Tara na! Up! Guys, kung tayo ay sobrang saya natin dahil, alam niyo na, last day na ng school week, si Nami, bad trip. Kasi parang first day yata ng period niya eh. Hindi ba? Sorry. Up. Kaya dahil dyan, let's give way to Princess Nami. Open up. There you go. Lala na. Dali, puputok na yung pimple mo eh.